A little bit. We expected a difficult game because we played a very tense game last Saturday against Tottenham. We had a Wednesday night Champions League game, and we knew today. Always when you play away from home in after a Champions League, Wednesday, Saturday, it's a difficult game, but could have gone both ways. And Aston Villa, you have to say, they did fight very hard, and they had some chances as well. We controlled them quite well. I think we had room to win the games, but we lacked a little bit accuracy in our final balls today. I cannot fault my team for the spirit we have shown for 90 minutes. We lacked a little bit sharpness in the final third. We had 11 or 12 shots, but I told you just that we lacked a bit of sharpness today in the final third. You could see that physically we were a bit jaded. I don't comment anything or like that, you know. I do my job, and I give my best for the team and for the club. And I let you judge. No. Look, I managed for 30 years at the top level. If I have to convince you that I can manage a team, it would be an insult to you. No?